Good morning, 6th standard. So today I'm just giving you this exercise that's connected with the lesson we've just done. That's Unit 11. Now here you see that there's a passage given there. Now you have to use, that's what you have the instructions there. Using three different colors, mark paragraph breaks, that's with a double slash. Okay, so you use one color for that, then full stops and commas in the passage. So you'll have to write out the passage, okay, and then mark the where you'll have the new paragraphs coming, where you'll have the full stops, and where you'll have the commas. So if you use three different colors, then you'll find it easier to see it, right? So we'll just read through it first. Okay. The memory has been on my conscience for a long time. One day at school, we had to do an English punctuation test. I hadn't listened to the lesson and had forgotten about the test. So I wasn't prepared for it. I didn't know where to put full stops and commas. So I looked over at the paper of my neighbor in the next row. She was a girl I didn't like at all, and she was also very good at English. So she always got top marks. I copied where she put her punctuation marks. The teacher collected the tests in, and I forgot about it. A few days later, the teacher said that she was very shocked that there had been some cheating in the class. She explained that two of the test papers she had marked were identical. She said that if there is copying in an exam, both the students get no marks. So she had given both papers a 0. We were given the tests back, and my neighbor burst into tears. She never found out which of the other students around her had copied from her. I want to say sorry to her now. Okay, so I hope you've got that passage there. Okay, and the next exercise there, add apostrophes in the sentences to show where there are missing letters. Okay, so that is very easy for you. You all have done it. So I'm sure you'll know where to put in the apostrophes, because the apostrophes will indicate the places where the letters have been dropped. Okay, so you have we've an appointment at 6 o'clock and it's already 5:30. The fireworks display doesn't begin till after dark. You could have done it later if you'd wanted to. The film's complete rubbish, so don't bother going to see it. What's the reason for its late arrival? Okay, so read them carefully and then write the sentence and then put in the apostrophes. Okay, now this I'd like you to do during the class right now. Okay, now there's another exercise here. So I'll put that in 2 and you'll be able to do that also. That's relatively simple. One is change these verbs into the present tense. You've been given a list of verbs and you have to put them into the present tense. And there's another exercise, that is, think of 3 different ways of joining these sentences to make one. Changing the order and adding connectives. Don't forget the commas. So next I'll put that in. So please do that also. And you can keep it with you. And in our next class tomorrow, I'll tell you where the punctuation marks have to be put in and the apostrophes. And for the next exercise, the answers to that too. Okay.